Lynn. Today we're talking about one of my absolute favorite oils for skin. It's Immortelle, also known as the anti-aging blend. If you've been looking for something that supports youthful, glowing, replenishing skin in a natural way, you're going to love this one. Immortelle is a powerhouse blend made with some of the most incredible essential oils for aging skin. First, we have frankincense. There's also Hawaiian sandalwood is in there, lavender, myrrh, helichrysum, and rose oil. Each one of these oils plays a role in helping your skin look smoother, more radiant, and more regenerated. So let's break that down for you. First, let's talk a little bit about frankincense, also known as the king of oils. It's great for skin because it supports cellular regeneration and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's amazing for promoting that youthful and that healthy glow. So next is Hawaiian sandalwood. This is deeply moisturizing. It's really calming to the skin as well. It helps improve the appearance of uneven skin tone and even gives skin that soft, replenishing look we all love. Then we have lavender oil. Now, lavender is soothing for redness, blotchy skin, and blemishes. It helps calm the skin and supports a more even, balanced complexion. Next is myrrh oil. This is another incredible oil. It's also in this blend. It's known for its rejuvenating and regenerating properties, especially for mature or dry skin. It helps the skin look smoother and more refreshed over time. Then next is helichrysum. This is another powerhouse. It's one of my personal favorites. It's well known for fading the appearance of scars, stretch marks, and age spots. It's incredibly restoring and replenishing for skin. And finally, we have rose. Rose oil is deeply nourishing. It supports hydration, softness, and more youthful looking complexion while helping reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So now let's talk about the top uses for Immortelle. This blend is amazing for wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. So you can apply it directly to your face, neck, and even to the backs of your hands as part of your daily skincare routine. Personally, I love to mix a drop or two into my moisturizing cream when I'm using it at night. I love how it makes my skin feel extra moisturized and well nourished. You can also use Immortelle on scars, stretch marks, redness, blotchy skin, and even blemishes or acne. It's such a versatile, regenerating blend. You know, a friend of mine applied Immortelle every night before bed. At his next eye exam, his doctor asked how his eyesight had improved so much. This was such a happy side effect for using Immortelle. And if you're wanting a simple, replenishing addition to your skincare routine that supports youthful, radiant skin, Immortelle is a really powerful option. And before you go, I have a little something for you. It's a free guide called Discover Over 100 Essential Oil Uses to help you feel confident using your essential oils every day. You can find that link in the description below. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.